Welcome to this 10th video on navigating the unit circle, focusing on quadrantal real numbers in trigonometry. Let's get started. What is a quadrantal real number? It is the arc length covered when a point moving along the unit circle stops exactly on the x-axis or the y-axis. The key insight is landing on the axes, not the spaces between them. All quadrantal numbers terminate at one of these four terminal points: 1, 0, -1, 0, 0, 1, or 0, -1. To identify your pattern, analyze the number. A whole number of pi lands on the horizontal x-axis. A fraction over 2 lands on the vertical y-axis. Remember these, they're very important. Navigating the horizontal axis uses a binary rule. All integer multiples of pi terminate on the x-axis. Even multiples land on the right at 1, 0, and odd multiples land on the left at -1, 0. Applying the parity rule is simple. 423 pi is odd, terminating at -1, 0. 1974 pi is even, terminating at 1, 0. What about negatives? A negative sign indicates a clockwise spin, but the stopping point still depends on the number's parity. From -627 pi, 627 is odd, resulting in the terminal point, -1, 0. Navigating the vertical axis. If your number is a fraction with a denominator of 2, it terminates at 0, 1, or 0, -1. This requires a new strategy, as the simple even/odd rule does not apply here. The decomposition strategy separates the rotation into two parts: an anchor on the x-axis and a remainder, which is a 90-degree quarter turn. Let's walk through an example, finding the coordinates from -53 pi over 2. First, ignore the negative sign. Divide 53 by 2, which is 26 with a remainder of 1. Rewrite this as 26 pi plus pi over 2. Since the original angle was negative, we apply the negative to both parts of the decomposed expression, resulting in -26 pi minus pi over 2. Step 3. The anchor, -26 pi, is even, starting at the positive x-axis, 1, 0. The shift is minus pi over 2, moving 90 degrees clockwise. The final coordinate is 0, -1. Here is a quick reference guide. Integer pi even is 1, 0. Integer pi odd is -1, 0. For fractions pi over 2, decompose and then rotate 90 degrees from the even or odd x-axis anchor. Here is a guide summary of what we have covered today. Have a pause and take a shot. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next one.